Most financial advice is a lie designed to keep you broke. They tell you to find the next winning stock, or wait until you have a six-figure salary. But the math reveals a completely different reality. Wealth is not built on luck or high-risk bets. It is built on a quiet, boring machine. Yet millions of people watch from the sidelines. They believe the market is a rigged casino. They chase hyper-volatile meme coins and penny stocks, hoping for a sudden, life-changing windfall overnight. This speculative lottery mindset is a trap. It drains your energy and burns your capital. Meanwhile, the real path to wealth remains invisible. It requires no genius and no luck, just a basic understanding of compound interest and the discipline to execute one simple habit. Let us break down the exact numbers today and expose the hidden math of your future. Imagine committing just $500 every month. That is roughly $16.40 daily, less than the price of a daily takeout meal. If you start doing this at age 25 and park it inside a broad index fund, earning a historic 10% average annual return, by age 65 you have a massive fortune. Your total balance crosses $1.3 million. But look closer at where that money came from. Your actual contributions were only $240,000. The other $1.1 million is pure interest. This is the magic of compound growth unlocked. Your money works harder than you ever could. Each dollar acts like a tiny, tireless employee, generating more pennies, which then generate more dollars. Over decades, this cycle accelerates into a snowball, turning a modest savings rate into absolute freedom. Without ever picking a single individual stock ticker, you simply owned a slice of global progress. But what happens if you hesitate to start? Let us look at the brutal cost of waiting. Suppose you delay your investing journey by 10 years. You start at age 35 instead of 25. You still invest $500 every single month. You still earn that same 10% return, but you only have 30 years to grow it. By age 65, your nest egg is different. Your final balance is only about 1/3 as much. Your final balance is just under $500,000. A 10-year delay cost you $800,000. Even though you saved $60,000 in cash, you sacrificed nearly $1 million in compound growth. Time is the ultimate multiplier in this equation. The math does not care about your good intentions. It only rewards the raw duration of compounding. Every week you wait is a wealth tax, a silent penalty paid directly to your future self. The cost of inaction is higher than any fee. Most people wait for the perfect market dip. They read financial news headlines and feel terrified. They try to time the market to avoid losses. But study after study proves this strategy fails. Even professional fund managers cannot predict market bottoms. Missing just the 10 best days of the market can cut your long-term investment returns in half. Consistency beats timing every single time in history. The market always climbs a wall of worry through recessions, wars, and global economic crises. The long-term trajectory has always pointed upward. Waiting for clarity means waiting for higher prices. The best time to plant a tree was yesterday. The second best time is right now, today. Do not let volatility paralyze your financial future. Market drops are actually sales on great assets. They are opportunities to buy more cheap shares. Reframe your fear into a mechanical advantage. So how do you actually start this week? Step 1 is to automate your entire savings. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. Move $500 before you can spend it. If you never see it, you will not miss it. Step 2 is choosing a broad index fund. Look for low-cost exchange-traded funds or mutual funds. These funds hold hundreds of top global companies, spreading your risk automatically across the entire economy. You do not need to analyze balance sheets. You just capture the average growth of capitalism. Step 3 is to ignore the daily noise. Delete the stock tracking apps from your phone. Do not check your portfolio balance every day. This is a marathon, not a sprint. The less you look, the better you perform. Action beats contemplation in every financial model. Consistency is your superpower in this game. Build the pipeline today and let it run. Your future self will thank your present discipline. The system is designed to reward patience. You do not need to be a Wall Street insider. You do not need an inheritance or luck. You only need the courage to start small and the grit to stay the course. $1 million is not a fantasy. It is a mathematical certainty for the disciplined. While others chase the hype of the week, you can build a quiet empire in the background. Take control of your financial destiny right now. Mastering these rules is the first step toward genuine freedom and building a life of genuine options. The clock is ticking on your compound curve. Will you let another decade slip away, or will you start building your machine today? The choice is entirely yours to make, and the numbers do not lie. Your future is waiting to be built.